Hello, students. This is Ms. Phillips. Today we are going to be learning about making and confirming predictions. For this lesson today, you will need a pencil, your reading journal, and your My Book, pages 183 through 194. You are about to read objectives today. Your objectives are: I will discuss the selection and define making and confirming predictions. We will discuss how to make predictions about a text selection and confirm those predictions. Then you will make and confirm predictions using text features and structures. You're about to read a narrative nonfiction text called Eruption: Volcanoes and the Science of Saving Lives. Well, what is narrative nonfiction? Narrative nonfiction gives factual information by telling a true story. When reading narrative nonfiction, good readers pause from time to time to make a prediction or guess about what will happen next in the story. Making a prediction helps the readers to stay engaged with the text and better understand what they're reading as well. What is a prediction? A prediction is a guess about what will happen based on clues in the text, such as headings, photos, other visual elements, and other text or graphic features. Remember, visual elements are brightly colored graphics and text in media that catch the viewer's attention. These elements can be used as clues to help you as the reader make a prediction. Take a moment to look at the making and confirming predictions anchor chart. This chart tells you what a prediction is and also tells you how to make and confirm predictions. Please take a moment to copy the chart down into your reading journal. Welcome back. I hope that you copied the entire anchor chart down because you'll be able to use it as a reference later to help you make predictions about text that you are reading. Now that you've copied down the chart, I want to discuss it. As I said before, a prediction is a guess that you, the reader, makes about what you believe is going to happen in a selection or story by using clues from the text. Before reading, you can make predictions about the text you're about to read. Using clues such as the cover of the story or book, you can also read the title of the book. Also, you can look at the text features such as headings or the illustrations or pictures in what you are about to read. After you look at these features, you can make a prediction about what the story will be about. Ask yourself, what will the story be about? An example, you could say things like, the title of this text is blank. I see photos of blank. I predict that this text is about blank. Some of you already do this and did not know that you were making a prediction. When you go to the library and you look at a cover of a book, read the title, and look inside at illustrations, you are already predicting what the story may be about to determine if you want to choose this book or not. And that way, you're making a prediction. Readers can also make predictions during a reading. While you're reading along, you can stop and think about what you've read so far. After thinking about what you've already read, you can ask yourself, what do I think will happen next? You could say, so far I have read that blank has happened in the story. Now I believe that blank will happen next. Readers can also confirm or adjust their predictions. After making predictions and reading some or all of the text, you as a reader can go back and check to see if your predictions were correct. Ask yourself, was I right? Was my prediction correct? Yes or no? If your prediction was incorrect, what changed about your prediction and why? My prediction was blank. But now my prediction changed. My prediction is now blank. This is why. Remember, it is always a good practice to check and confirm your predictions as you read and adjust the predictions as you may need. You will be practicing making and confirming predictions when you read Eruption: Volcanoes and the Science of Saving Lives. Remember to use the clues in the text, such as headings, photos, other visual elements, and other text and graphic features, in order to help you make and confirm predictions. Now it's your turn. Please complete the first part of the making and confirming predictions chart in order to make a prediction about eruption, volcanoes, and the science of saving lives. Before you read, remember to use the clues to make a prediction about what the text may be about. Then read pages 183 through 194. Pay close attention to what happens in the text and what the text is about. After reading, take a look at the prediction you made. Was the prediction correct? If not, write into your worksheet how you would change your prediction to make it correct according to what you have read. Follow the directions from your teacher in order to turn your document in through Google Classroom. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.